open our Google and then search for SketchUp, and then you will select the SketchUp for Web. Pilih SketchUp for Web. Kemudian you will have a look on the windows. There is like explanation on the SketchUp for Web. So we will using the SketchUp for Web for the meantime. Okay, this SketchUp for Web is a free SketchUp web base. There is some of limitation, ada kekangan atau kekurangan if you compare with your SketchUp applications in a full version. So this is a comparison between the SketchUp free, but the platform is still the same. Platform yang menggunakan SketchUp adalah sama, web-based 3D modeling. Kekurangan itu, the limitation dapat dilihat melalui penggunaan materials terutamanya lah. So tak semua materials we can use or download, and they will have no 3D warehouse as far as I know. Okay, so as a starting up, permulaan, SketchUp web base ni sangat bagus untuk belajar membuat 3D. Jadinya, okay, the next stage we will click on the start modeling. Okay, you need to sign in your SketchUp. Okay, kalau ada Google account, then it will be much easier. So I sign in with Google account, okay, my email, and then password, in the password, then go to sign in. So right after you sign in, it will appear like this. Okay, you can take a tour before you begin. So I recommend for you to take a tour to understand the tools and commands in the SketchUp web base. So how about we try to take a tour? Let's start tour. So this is your tools and command. Okay, ini antara application yang you akan dapat dalam SketchUp web base. So this is the tools and command. You ada select, erase, paint bucket, still the same. And then this is the panels to organize and style your model. Alright. And then after you go through with all the tour, then you can start away doing your model. So ready to go? Yep. So this is the window of your web base, SketchUp web base. So kali ini kita akan menggunakan penggunaan SketchUp